Welcome to Real Soul. The first page you're going to come to is called MySanctuary, and right now it looks a little blank, but there's a very good reason for that. The MySanctuary page is for your eyes only, and the information you see here is the content that you create. This is where you can focus your thoughts and your energy in the areas that you want to. The way you do that is through the element icon bar. So the page consists of elements that you can see the most recent posting of. So let's do a quick entry. Just click on any one of the element icons. You'll see a description of the element and some ideas as to how you can use these. So we're going to do one of the suggested mantras here. We have not joined any groups yet, so I can't share with them, but I'll show you how to do that in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and share this to Soul Central. I haven't set up my Facebook authentication yet, so I can't share it to Facebook, but you can do that the first time you log in. And we're just going to add it. So it shows up here at the very top of our page. To get the text box to go away, just click again in the element icon bar. And let's go look at it in Soul Central. Here we are. Sample user, wag more, bark less. Let's go back to MySanctuary. And in the upper left-hand corner here is a pull-out menu and our activity log. This is where all of the content we enter will show up in a nice time log so that you can go back and reflect on the things that you've posted in the past. Back to the MySanctuary page, we also have a vision board. You can add images from your computer just by clicking on Add an Image. In the upper right-hand corner, we have your user information. And that's a tour of your Sanctuary page. I'm going to show you what it can look like once you started entering content here. So here's our sample user called Sunshine. Here's the mantra for this user and a journal entry, a gratitude statement, an intention, and then we have our vision board down here. I've entered 3 and now I have the opportunity to add 3 more images. If we look at the activity log, you can see all of the entries for this user. In the activity log, I can also edit a post, or I can just delete it. Let's go ahead and add some groups. So as you can see, in the Grief and Healing group, my option is to leave the group, which means this user has already joined it. So we're going to stay in that group, and now I'm going to join the Four-Legged Friends group. Let's go back to MySanctuary. And I'm going to put in a random act of kindness. So here's my random act of kindness, and I'm going to go ahead and share it with that Four-Legged Friends group. All I did was click where it said Share to Groups, and this menu drops down. I select that group. I'm going to go ahead and share it to Soul Central because I think it was a nice thing to do, and maybe if I share it, some other people might do it too. And I'm just going to click Add. So let's look at Soul Central. There it is. Let's look at our activity log. There it is again. And back at MySanctuary, we don't see it on this page, but again, you can look at your random acts of kindness in the activity log. So again, in the side menu, we have activity log, groups. You can change your settings here as well as clicking in the upper right-hand corner. You can log out of your account, and you can reference these helpful pages anytime you'd like. Well, I hope that helps you get set up with your Sanctuary page. If you have any questions, please send us an email that you can find on the help page. And please explore other help videos from that page as well for other areas of the site. Thank you very much, and we hope you enjoy Real Soulful.